In this video, I'm going to share to all of you about how to make geometric standing shelf. First of all, we have to make a basic shape with rectangle. You can make a basic shape with this rectangle. Okay, we can use the dimension around 2 meter of the length, and the width for the width are 640 meter. Okay, you can see this. Okay, then we can delete some unnecessary object over there. Again, after that, we can push it up to the top position. We can push it up around 1500 approximately. Okay, and then we can make the geometric shape with a line. We can using line to make a basic pattern over there. Okay, we can using line, and we can draw as we want anyway. Okay, so then we can push it to the back. Then we can push it to the back. We can push it to the back, and this one, or maybe we can make it for um, support, for bottom support anyway. We can make it for bottom support. Okay, so then we can click this plane, so then we can offset it inside around 30 millimeter, and then we can push it to the back until the limit. Okay, and it's done, and we can make it group anyway. Okay, so then we can make the horizontal shaft over there. We can push it up just a little bit. Okay, we can make it group, and we can move it and place on this position. So then we can push it to the limit, to the border of this geometric. Okay, and then sorry, we have to push it to the left a little bit. Okay, and then we can move and duplicate it again and again. Okay, maybe just something like this, and then we can adjust all of this edge of this every single shelf of there. Okay, something just like this. Okay, we can adjust it. Okay, and then we can select it all, and we can assign with the material. Okay, I think it's enough. Wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.